Hey beautiful people, I hope you are doing very great. In this video, I'm going to show you how to create your first Telegram bot. This bot is help you to learn AI automation and voice and stuff. This bot will motivate you to learn this kind of stuff, and I will show you how I face the problem and how I solve it. So yeah, let's get started. So for creating bot, we need to go n8n server. So here is my n8n war server. So if you want, you can create a new workflow, but for now I'm use my existing workflow. And first of all, I need to rename it like telebot telebot English, because because I make my videos also Bangla. Yeah, perfect. So okay, let me small this window. Uh, I hope now it's okay. Perfect. So for creating bot, we need Telegram trigger. Cause if you want to run the workflow is always start with trigger. So I'm gonna select my bot. You can find the all bot here. Or if I or you don't know how to create, but I already make tutorial on this. So you can find this video on this I button. I edit, and you can find this video on I button how to create your Telegram bot and connect it into your n8n. Okay, so let me run this workflow, execute, and click start. I hope yeah, workflow successful. You can see this hash slash start. This is a command obviously, and then we need to add a brain. So n8n brain is AI agent, and how our brain run because we're it. So the AI agent, for a running AI agent, we need to add chat model, because chat model using chat model, the AI agent uh, chat model can help AI agent to run. Okay, so but one things, there have many chat model. You don't need to add OpenAI. You can add also Google, Gemini, DeepSeek, whatever you want is up to you. And then use memory. Then if you want, you can use any tool from here, but I'm gonna use calculator tool. I'm gonna use calculator tool. Sorry. Okay, okay, perfect, tidy. Yeah, okay, let me. Perfect, perfect. So yeah, if I execute the workflow and if I send a message just what hey, you can see I have get two error. So let's see how I can fix this bullshit errors. So yeah, go mapping, and in a session ID you can select define below, and you can see update ID. So just drag and drop it here and done. And go a agent, and also you need to define below it, and um in a you can see chat, so you need to drop it here. And now we are gonna prompting this AI tool. So the prompt is you are always inspire and motivate me to learn AI automation. AI automation. Okay, so I'm sorry, but I need to skip this. Motivate me to learn AI automation. I think I need to use whisper flow AI automation. The prompting is too small. I need to add something. And always give response small but powerful. Okay, this is a very random and just a small prompt, but for the testing purpose. Okay, so if I say, hey, I hope we don't get any. Okay, so I'm sorry, but I select the wrong account. My paid account is first one. So now if I execute workflow and say hi, hey, hi, uh, hi, I hope now is everything is okay. So you can see we get one item. The output is hi, ready to preventive automation. You can build a powerful automation. Start small, iterate first, and learn by doing. Want a quick beginner plan project ideas, and it can help you to like learn your automation. Okay, so you just thinking that why you don't get any response in here. So to get response here, you need to add Telegram, also one Telegram node, and that the node is send a text message. Okay, so this is the real workflow. So you can still see the the error. So for fixing this error, you can see the AI agent, and below you can see the output. So we need to drag and drop this output in a text box. This one, and in the chat ID, just we need to just drag and drop it here, and that's it done. If now we are say hey there, I hopefully we get a reply. Okay, I'm sorry. We get I'm select around what this one I select. You can see this one select here. So I also need to select this one here, but I select wrong one. No worries. Uh, I again do it. You can see we get reply. So what we need to learn: script, APIs, workflow, on a 7 days starter plan. So this kind of stuff. Yeah. So you can customize it according to you. So now we're just thinking that how we can remove this message sent by n8n. This is too easy, my bro. Just go here and add field, append n8n attribution, and off this one. So if we now execute this workflow and say hey, hopefully now you can see we didn't get anything, stuff like that. The message we sent was with automatically. Yeah, that's it. And you can just thinking that am I need to just click execute workflow then run? No, just go ahead, publish this workflow. You need to rename it like uh telebot and publish it. When are you gonna publish it? Set up error notification. No, don't need anything. So now we don't need to click again and again execute workflow. If I say hey, you see, yeah. And if we are go on the execution part, uh, yeah, I'm sorry. Uh, now is a 110. You can see the workflow is running. Yeah, 17. Yeah, that's it. That's it, guys. That's it. Yeah. So this is what I want to see you. You need to see you. And if you want to get some of workflow and template stuff, you can go my this Gumroot store. You can find lead generation automation, WhatsApp automation, LinkedIn viral post automation, and then Google Maps scraper, and then graphics designer automation, and then lead generation automation, and many things. Also, you get an written roadmap how to start your AI automation agency. Many things. You need to explore it. I give this link in a description. And if I made any mistake, then you need to forgive me. And have a great day. Ta-ra.